With a location called Cheuk Nang Lookout within the high-end residential area known as the Peak, this single-family residence in Hong Kong delivers on unobstructed views. Nestled in greenery, the home looks out over the sea and faraway islands, while the south side of Hong Kong fills the expanse below. Listed at 550 million Hong Kong dollars, or more than 70 million USD, this 4,278 square foot villa includes 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The interior is defined by opulent grand-scale rooms. Elegant marble surfaces are seemingly everywhere: the floors, walls, stairs, kitchen, and bathrooms. Ceiling medallions top opulent chandeliers. The main living room brings to mind a European-style ballroom with intricately inlaid flooring, stone columns, and elaborate paneled ceiling. A wall of windows faces south and takes in an abundance of natural light. Scrolled and gilded ironwork frames the staircase. High ceilings continue in the sleek, modern kitchen, adding to a sense of spaciousness. The kitchen is fully outfitted with a waterfall center island and a smooth surface cooktop. The primary suite features a spacious walk-in closet, decked-out bathroom, and private veranda. Outside, blue tile edging surrounds the swimming pool. The flagstone deck provides plenty of sunning space, and clear railings leave the scenery unobstructed. Multiple verandas provide more outdoor living space and take in expansive views of the south side of Hong Kong Island. Not on a public transportation route, the property is about a 10-minute drive from the newly renovated Peak Tram and Peak Tower viewing platform.